Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account on TD Bank Online. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for TD Bank account opening. Let's click on Open Bank Account Online over here. Now, over here, we can see this option called Open an Account, so let's tap on this. Let's click on Get Started. Now, simply click on Continue over here. So, now we are in this form in which we need to enter all of our details. At first, we need to enter our personal details, including our name, date of birth, social security number. After this, we get into the next step by clicking on Continue, in which we need to enter our contact details like contact number and email address. Afterward, we get into the next step, that is, employment or financial details. Afterward, we need to enter our identification details and provide our identity cards of the social security cards we have got. Once you provide that and once the verification is completed, our creation of a bank account will also be completed. So, by entering all of our details and providing the required documents, we can finally create a TD Bank account online. So, that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.